This is Oden Lake Eagle Nest. It's currently 10 a.m. on June 30, 2022, Calcasieu Ranger District. We're installing a closed circuit camera on this nest. You can see the camera is right up there. Currently tacking it onto the nest before coming down. We're going to secure this yellow line, which is the cable line that's going up to it. This nest is approximately 100 feet off the ground. And here is some of the stuff that's in the nest. You can see a whistling duck and another bird carcass and some turtle shells and some catfish here, and lots of other feathers as well. And this is what the view looks like of this nest. This nest is too remote for us to put online for a live channel. So during the nesting season, we have a line that'll draw out away from this nest that we can plug into and record video of this, which we can then later send to or put onto our YouTube channel so other people around the world can see one of our eagle nests. And so you'll stay tuned with us. This is our first nest that we climbed this season, and we've got 3 more to do. All right, thank you. Back on the ground now after climbing to the top of the nest all the way up there. And we're cleaning up, putting the rope back into the bag, putting the climbing harnesses back into our bags. And this is the final image. This is our device right here that's able to record what's happening up in the nest itself. It has its own battery. Here's SD card, and then this is the nest here from the camera that I showed you up at the top. And so we're able to just unplug this and leave this line that you see here water sealed on the other end, and then we bring the monitor and the SD card back, and when we see something cool we can hit record. That was the rope falling out of the tree, and after we hit record, we can put it on the card, and then we can upload it to YouTube and everyone can see it. Well, thanks for watching.